filmed this intro like 10 times. I'm trying. Okay, y'all, my name is Maggie Hardy, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing something a little different than what I usually do. I am filming a product that I regret buying. This video is a wham bam, thank you ma'am, straight to the point kind of thing. It's just get it over with. I need to get this off my chest. So these are based off of my opinions, and everyone has a right to their own opinion. So what works for you probably don't work for me. Everybody has their own preference about anything. So these are my opinions, my preference, and I appreciate y'all watching. If you're new, again, my name is Maggie Hardy, and go ahead and subscribe before you leave, and go ahead and join the Hardy Party. We would love to have you. We like to have fun. At least I try. I don't know. We'll get it figured out. We're just starting. We're new. Let's just figure it out together. And I appreciate y'all's love and y'all's support as always. So how about we just get into this video? Okay, so the first thing that I have today that I regret buying is the Loreal Beauty and the Beast collection lipsticks. And I am the biggest fan of Beauty and the Beast, but these, for me, it keeps falling off. They just didn't work. The colors are absolutely beautiful. They're stunning, but the formula of these just, it didn't work. I don't like them. So we're just gonna leave those over there. It's the Lipland liquid lipsticks. Again, the colors are absolutely stunning. The packaging is absolutely stunning. The applicator is great, but again, the formula is just not for me. If I could have these colors in some nice cream lipsticks, I would be absolutely happy. But yeah, Lipland, I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't care for liquid lipsticks. So I don't know why I keep buying them. I keep hoping to find a formula that I'm gonna like. I do like the Too Faced. These ones right here. I do like these. These are great. And also ColourPop. ColourPop also has great liquid lips as long as it's not the ultra matte. If it's the ultra matte, I can't do it. My lips are too dry. I can't. Give me my lipsticks. Okay? Okay. Now we're gonna go into some eyes. Y'all see me do a first impressions on this the other day. It's the Milani Stay Put 17 Wear Liquid Liner. The applicator on this is just horrific. It didn't work for me. I don't like it. So if y'all want to see my first impression on it, I do have a video on this, and I absolutely don't like it. So it just stays in my drawer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil Eyeshadow Primer and Color Corrector. When I first started doing makeup and I was looking for a concealer to cut my eyebrows with, the lady at Sephora recommended this to me, and I don't like it. It's too thick. You can't even blend it out. So the formula on this I didn't like, but again, it's just in my drawer because it's too late to take it back. So that's no. So we're just gonna toss that way. Okay, so the next one that I have, I don't actually have it because I literally tossed it in the trash after I worn it, probably for a couple weeks, because I wanted it to work for me so bad. But it is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. It's not this one, it's the pink one. This is the regular Voluminous Carbon Black, and this one I like. The other one I couldn't seem to like. Even if I tried the waterproof one, it ran like on my eyes all the time. And no matter what I did, it always transferred from my lids or from my lashes onto my under eye. So that was a no for me. I absolutely didn't. I don't like it. So, but I do like the Better Than Sex, and I do like the L'Oreal Original Voluminous Carbon Black. Those did work for me. So the other one, the Lash Paradise Mascara, It was no-go. Not for me. I know a lot of people raved about it, and I wanted to like it because of the price point and because I do like L'Oreal mascaras. Like I said, it transferred so bad that I couldn't deal with it. So it's actually in the trash already. The next thing that I have is I bought some Wet n Wild Color Icon Glitter Singles. This is for the face and body only. These things right here, let me just show y'all if y'all don't know. They were $1, so I really don't know what I expected to get out of them. All right, let's go with the gold one so y'all can actually kind of see. Maybe my lights won't drown it out so much. So this is it, and it's a very creamy, watery, putty, I don't know the consistency of it, but you see I'm sitting here and I'm digging and I'm digging, and that's what I got. It's like a gel, I don't know, possibly. That's what I got after all that digging. So it creased, it ran, it went everywhere, it's nasty. So I really suggest that y'all don't buy these. Even if you need glitter for $1, you can find something else better than this. These do not work at all. So before I get into the rest of the eyes, I am going to mention this one that I have. It's just a single face product. This is the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick. Just meh. I don't even know what to say. Meh. We'll toss that one too. This one that I'm about to show y'all, I was so excited to purchase this because me, for myself, I am a lash kind of girl. Y'all know that. I love my lashes. So I literally throw my lashes all over the place. I probably got 4 pair in my bathroom. I've probably got 5 laying over here on my desk. I don't ever have a place for them to go. They just lay there. And then once they lay there, they start collecting dust, and you throw the box away and you don't remember the name or who they're from, and it just gets so irritating. So I was so excited to get this. This is the Lash Story Pro Edition from House of Lashes. It is a book that is supposed to hold your lashes. Well, let's open this up. It's gonna be a mess, but we're gonna open this up. Let me show y'all real quick. All my lashes just fell on the floor. So, as y'all can see, no matter what I did, no matter what kind of glue I used, no matter how clean they are, they do not stay in these dang slots. Like, see, there went the other ones. These ones, see, it's hanging on by a thread. And as you can see here, I'll just peel this off. Like, I literally tried everything. I put lash glue on there, and it don't hold it. It don't hold them. So I was very, very disappointed because I was so excited about this product. Now I got all these lashes, look, just floating around and got no place for them to go. So I spent the money on that for no reason, and I just went to Walmart and got a Rubbermaid drawer, one of those 3 stackable ones that's like literally this big and like this wide, and that's where I keep them now. I've also learned that when I'm done with them to put them back in the box, unless it's just one of those crazy nights where you just want to rip your lashes off and throw them wherever they go. I probably got tens of hundreds of lashes also in my purse because me and my husband will go out, and by the time we get done doing whatever we're going to do, we all get something to eat. I literally peel them off as soon as we get done and get in the truck, and I put them in my purse. So hats off to all the lashes that have been lost and scattered in my purse. And I'm sorry, Matt, that my lashes are all over the place, but the book didn't work, so life must go on. As you can see, I was very upset about that one. Okay, the next 3 that I have is probably gonna stir some controversy. I kind of hope not, but I'm gonna repeat myself again. Whatever doesn't work for me doesn't mean it works for you, vice versa. Y'all know how it goes. But when Nagin came out with this palette, the heat palette, I was very excited. Very, 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 very excited. I actually got this on pre-order. Like, that's how excited I was about this. And I have these colors in all of the other palettes that I have, and I think I've used this once. So maybe when summer rolls around, I'm gonna keep trying it out. It's not the formula, it's not the pigmentation, it's just I don't reach for it. So I feel like I wasted, what is it, $52, $49, $54, I don't know, dollars on it for no reason. It just sits in my drawer and collects dust. This one, I know I can't be the only one that feels this way. This was very, very, very disappointing to me because of the simple fact of it was so beautiful sitting in the pan. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is the Fenty Beauty Galaxy eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like. They tricked me. They tricked us. As you can see, it is used, but I keep dipping my fingers into it, hoping that I will love it one day. And I don't. I don't. Like, I love toppers, and I love iridescent colors, and I love shimmers, but this palette, it sucks. I'm sorry. It sucks. So wasted. So throw that one too. I don't even care about that one. That one ticked me off too, because I was so excited about it. But no, she fooled all of us on that one. She did. Okay, and last but not least, I have one more item for you. It kind of hurts me to say this. It kind of hurts me that I have to do this, but I'm going to do it anyways. I've never really been a big fan of Too Faced, and it took me to buy a couple palettes before I realized that I didn't like them. So this is the Sweet Peach. Oh, I got a lash right here. This is the Sweet Peach Too Faced. This is it. Everybody knows what it looks like. I just don't understand. I don't understand the pigmentation. I don't understand the color scheme. It's a sweet peach palette. There is one peach color in there. Maybe 3 or 4 colors that could actually be called a peach. Like, oh, it smells like heaven. It does. But I don't like this palette. I think I've used it 3 or 4 times, and I just can't. I love the smell of it, and I love the peaches collection. Just not this one. Not this one. Now this one was a go for me. I love this one. This one makes way more sense than the other one. And then the other palette that I love is the Too Faced Chocolate. I feel like the gold palette, I feel like their shadows are getting better and better, but I was not going to buy this palette. I wasn't going to. But I went in store and I swatched it, and I had to have it. Like, just the colors of this palette is amazing. So if you do not own this palette, I highly, highly recommend that you go pick it up, because this palette is the bomb. Like look at that. Like, the silver in this, I used this palette for my New Year's Eve look, and look at that silver. If you can't ask for a better silver than this, you can't. Y'all need to go get this one, because this one is absolutely stunning. Like, don't hesitate, go pick it up. Alright, y'all, so that was it. I mean, I'm sorry, I'm not sorry, because like I said, they just didn't work for me, so I regret buying them. This is probably over $200 or $300 that I got sitting right here that I could have spent on something else, and I regret buying it. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all again soon. And if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. What you waiting for? Let's join this party. Let's get it started in here. No? Okay, well, I'll see y'all again soon.